Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet table cover designs model. Crochet table cover designs can range from simple and classic to intricate and decorative. Some popular designs include geometric patterns, floral motifs, lacy designs, or even personalized patterns like in details or names. It ultimately depends on your preferences and the style you want to achieve for your table setting. Here are some tips for designing a crochet table cover. First, plan ahead. Before starting your project, sketch out your design or create written plan outlining the stitches, pattern repeats and any color changes you will need to make. Gauge swatch. Make a gauge swatch to ensure that your tension and stitch size match the pattern requirements. Adjust your hook size if necessary to achieve the correct gauge. Joining rounds or rows neatly. Pay attention to how you join rounds or rows to maintain a clean and seamless look. Techniques like slip stitch joints or invisible joints can help create a smooth transition between rounds. Blocking techniques. Experiment with different blocking techniques to achieve the desired shape and drop for your table cover. Wet blocking, stream blocking, or pinning your work to a blocking board are common methods. Handle tails carefully. When changing colors or joining new yarn, weave in the ends carefully to ensure they are secure and won't unravel over time. You can use a yarn needle to weave the ends through nearby stitches. Consider durability. If your table cover will be used frequently, consider using a double yarn blend or reinforcing high wear areas with additional stitches or edging for added strength. Customize size. Adjust the size of your table cover by adding a subtracting stitches or rows as needed. You can easily customize the dimensions to fit your table perfectly. Finishing touches. Once your table cover is complete, add any final touches such as edging or decorative elements to enhance the overall appearance and polish the look of your project. Share your progress. Share your progress and final creation with fellow crocheters online or in local crafting communities for feedback, encouragement, and inspiration. Have patience. Crocheting a table cover can be a time-consuming project. So, be patient and enjoy the process of watching your creation come to life stitch by stitch. Here are some additional tips for crocheting a table cover. Choose the right yarn. Select a yarn that is appropriate for the size and the style of your table cover. Thicker yarns will create sturdier covers, while finer yarns will produce a more delicate look. Select an appropriate pattern. Consider the size and shape of your table when choosing a pattern. Some patterns may work better for round tables, while others are better suits for rectangular or square tables. Start with a simple design. If you are new to crocheting, start with a simple design with basic steps. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually tackle more complex patterns. Use stitch markers. Stitch markers can help you keep track of your stitches and pattern repeats, especially for intricate designs. Measure your table. Before you begin crocheting, measure your table to ensure that your cover will fit properly. You may need to adjust the size of the pattern accordingly. Consider washability. Choose yarn that is easy to wash and care for, especially if your table cover will be used regularly. Experiment with color. Have fun experimenting with different colors to create a unique and personalized design that complements your table and decor. Block your finished bit. Blocking helps to even out stitches and shape your table cover for a professional looking finish. Add embellishments. Consider adding embellishments such as beads, buttons, or tassels to enhance the design and other visual interest. Enjoy the process. Crocheting a table cover can be a fun and relaxing project. So take your time and enjoy the process of creating something beautiful for your home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!